The OmySalon Manicure Table Nail Desk stands out with a built-in electric downdraft vent that pulls dust and nail shavings away from the work area, keeping the surface noticeably cleaner during long nail sessions. Its medium-density fiberboard worktop feels solid and resists spills, and the smooth finish wipes down easily, while the metal accents give it a more professional salon look. This desk offers generous storage with multiple drawers, open shelves, and a side cabinet, so a nail technician can keep tools, polishes, and disposables organized and within easy reach. The 8 rolling wheels make the station simple to reposition in a home studio or busy salon, and the locking feature keeps it steady once you have it where you want it. A cushioned wrist pad on the front edge of the table supports the client's hands comfortably, which makes detailed work like nail art and shaping less tiring for both people. Overall, the combination of dust extraction, sturdy construction, practical storage, and mobility makes this manicure table a very functional centerpiece for a dedicated nail workspace.